So today I'm going to show you how to use formula in table. Okay? So we are going to add school fees for our students during quarter 3. So what we will do is that we have student number 1, student number 2, and student number 3 and 4, and we want to know how much did student number 1 pay in quarter 3, the total fees that student number 1 has paid in quarter 3, and then we are going to do the same with student number 2, student number 3, and student number 4, and also we want to have the totals of school fees that was paid in April, May, June as well. So what you're going to do, you are going to place your cursor here, total school fees for Willemse or student number 1, and then you go to table layout, and then you click at formula. It says formula. Alright, so as you can see here we have it equals to sum left. So the table automatically has detected that there are numbers on your left that you are trying to add, which is the correct format that we are going to use in this case. It equals to sum, which means the total on your left. And then here at number format, we're just gonna choose the same format, which is this one. No commas, no dollar signs, and just the same a symbol format. And then we click OK. So this is the total amount which was paid by our student number 1 in quarter 3. So we're just gonna do the same with student number 2 as well as student number 3 and 4. So go to formula, okay, table layout, and then you go to formula. So now the table has detected that there's a number above, and maybe you are trying to calculate it or calculate the sum of the above numbers, which is incorrect in this case, because what we want to do is to calculate school fees for Yaku April, May, June, which it equals to sum left. Then we're just gonna delete above and we type in left. Then we click OK. So we're just gonna do the same with our third student formula. So just remember, we don't want above, because if we are going to click OK in this case, it will give us the sum of these two numbers, which is incorrect. We don't want these two numbers. We want the sum of April, May, June for our third student. So here we just have to type in left, and then we click OK, and then after that we go to our last one. Don't forget to say left. Number format 0 equals to. Okay, so now we have the total school fees of all our students for quarter 3. So now we want to know the total school fees which was paid in each and every month. So we're just gonna say formula is equals to above. So in this case we want the total of April, so it's equals to sum above is the correct formula. So we're just gonna select our number format and we say okay. Yeah? So in Excel, as you remember, or as you know, you can just drag. You can just place your cursor somewhere here, and when you see a plus sign, and then you drag. So unfortunately, in Word, we don't have that option. So we'll have to do the same thing for all of the columns. So it's equals to, formula is equals to sum above. Then we choose our number format. Then we click OK. We just do the same, and then we click OK. Okay, so now we have the total school fees of each and every month. Now we want okay, just so now we want the total school fees which was paid in quarter 3 by all the students. So here we can use either way. I think even if you can say it's equals to sum left or it equals to sum above, it's just gonna do give us the same amount. But let's try it and see. Okay, table layout and then formula. It's equals to above, né? And then we choose our format. And then we say okay. So it's 7,830. So let's say we try another formula, which is it's equals to sum left. Okay. So as you can see, the amount is still the same. Even if you can say above or left, it will just give you the same amount. So this is how you use formulas in Microsoft Word. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, as I will post more content on Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so forth. Thank you.